Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Urgent medical transport hampered by poor road conditions in Garo Hills. Khasi Students Union protests Assam government's border projects. KHADC provides dedicated room for Hima and Elaka chiefs. And Maurangkang Cooperative Society launches initiative program. And now the news in detail. On September 16th, a critical situation unfolded in the Garo Hills as an ambulance carrying a woman with severe bleeding encountered significant road issues. The patient urgently needing treatment was travelling from Bakmara to Tura, a distance of about 75 kilometers, when the vehicle became stuck on the deteriorated road between Chererangapara village, Gaswapara and Dalu. Local residents rallied to assist by towing the ambulance with a pickup truck. The condition of the roads throughout Garo Hills, including Dalu Bakmara, Selsela Rajabala and Medhipara Pulbari Tikrikila, has worsened, dramatically resembling rice fields. This ongoing crisis has led to accusations from locals that leaders who reside in Shillong are detached from the harsh realities faced by residents. The situation underscores the urgent need for improved infrastructure and attention to the region's road conditions.
Good morning. Dia dục. Chua dia rap longin mo jasku batta khonde ra. Jasku batta.
On September 16th, John Fisher Nongsiang, president of the Khasi Students Union, KSU, met with Deputy Commissioner Garrett Ellis and Dykes to address concerns about the Assam government's aggressive project implementation in the Langpi area. The KSU is strongly opposing these actions, citing a prior agreement with the Meghalaya government to preserve the status quo in border villages. Despite this, the Assam government has continued to impose its projects unilaterally. On September 11, 2024, Assam conducted a survey for a road construction project planned to pass through several Khasi villages, including Nongdronpara, Nongma, Nongmauleng and Nongsoram within West Khasi Hills district. The KSU has warned that any forcible implementation of this project without local consent will be met with strong resistance. They have vowed to oppose any attempts at road destruction and assert that the project undermines the region's autonomy.
Tena kalian ke isi Western District, mentah kasih, lawan ini udisi jong Western District, menikran lot ini kebentah, jadi kita jingku jong kasar Assam, masih nak serang tiap orang pi, nak senang Somarang, Terter, haban ya kui nong baki nong tron para nong ma maulin nong soram kui te kumangi tiap beros kata nakalang ka sarkar Assam dan Meghalaya ladang apa ke jing put bat kani ka langpi ka hawa pok skan face ndre hidup mentan nakalang sarkar berat lagi jela kimpala ban penbei ting i kini ke jing le jong sarkar Assam ban sinang ting surok kalong ka jing penken tiga ain ka status quo kumbala penbei ba kinu ki nakalang ki sarkar lagi jela ki deban swab sinang kini project iban yo ka jing itu ne ka NOC na kanu ka jala ka baki haban sina te kani ka jing la jong sarkar Assam sina te surok la pen khay ka status quo kana kalyang jongiru habang itep kani ni so pasya jur kani ji tu jong ka sarkar Assam nomar ku mangitep ba ka suka jalaru la pentri ka skim JJM hangkia po langpi na kalyang sarkar Assam ka pesange na kini ki project jong sarkar jala nomar kini baru kilong kijik pulken katkum ka jingte circular kalong ba berat kali kijila kim ban penwit ya kini projek jong central scheme dai kini kijingla jong ka sekolah Assam kalong pulken te ka circular te nakle.
On the 16th of September, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC inaugurated a special room for the chief executive members of the Hima and Elaka. Previously, due to a shortage of space, these leaders had to sign documents on their vehicle bonnets before submitting them to KHADC officers. The new room was officially handed over by CEM Penyat Singh CEM and Deputy CEM Penshngany N CEM. The chiefs in attendance expressed their appreciation to the district council authorities for addressing this long-standing need. The provision of this dedicated space aims to facilitate more efficient and dignified interactions for the leaders during their visits to KHADC departments.
Layo kini ke kamera na kata ba inyo man penat kami ka ha ka ba nin lawan man don kam hani hapo office hapo diskansil ni don kam ni kajaka inyo ya kaban Shillong ban penjat high support tentang di bawah nanti tolong jing metoy nak kita kejuni mai snok benru ha kemba ni juga keren nak kapor la kadon kajaka kemudian yo lat ya kaban penon kam ha kabangin bu kum gawe nak kamera kabangi tengah resum nane ka ban yo jak high mo support nak kita ban sign kot sla kambun sin kini sngi ke belada bangiwan hang ne ngi ki praklik no sensya ngi hanya penon kam ban sign kot sla ngi haban sign hab hajrong tu ki kali bonet teng ini semua ran yang kat mau ya ka rom ka akor ka jong hapo office ibreu ki buram ni rei dawan ane pada ki yo ni bangi hapan sai ko te ka penting katan kan ka yo te habang ilai kendo keren ni pleu jumat bat em in charge yang ka ilaka nasim kia ka ne ka buram ka jinguk ni IT sa bat kantam CM bala pediang ya ka jing ajimut yang ka ni ngasuk men sebutnya ngadap nak kemen ko kral nak ta ki kli nong sejar ngene kalong ko buram ba ka diskonsil kayu isya ya jing dan kam ki ya ka buram jing isim kli nong sejar desya ki ban wara ya ka buram ladangi ni don ha ka buram ka kawan ka diskonsil ru ni ba ka diskonsil ru kara ya ka buram ka jing ka khantam leng jo ki ngut ba ni iba ke jintri kam na kapor hagi kam ki ba bon ki balang ki bangi kendu jing.
On September 16th, the Maurangkang Primary Agroecology Cooperative Society Limited held an inaugural program in Maurangkang village with Nongpo MLA Ba Mirabons Aim serving as the chief guest. The event also featured Ba George Lingdo, MD of the Meiramo State Agroecology Cooperative Society, along with officials from the District Horticulture Office, Khubor District, and local village headmen. The newly formed society aims to boost agricultural development and establish a food processing unit. In his address, Miralbon's aim urged society leaders to work collaboratively and diligently with members to achieve their goals and ensure the success of this initiative.
Penseutanat ya thi ngila banong le ba kisur jing ruai ki jongi teng akot ya ikong Regina ban pensiu ya kata ka jingkren na
Maurangkang Agroecology Cooperative Society kepada ke way na ki unit mah ki primary unit jong ke state level. Habagiwan bani keduk yang ngaru tik katai ke juba. Peit ni lasdang na lede. La tit ing tang jing pe ke te ying mo te le egom te la sedang dang kam ngilayo uni rupi nu asyar layo am dak sing ka layat ke kam di ngidang sedang bersi banwan kam ke layat. Te habagiwan bani kendu ki om peit ni dengan sedang ngilayat kam ta hab yarap ipi yang te. Hani bangalai ring sekeren hab yarap ise. Kalang na kota. Keju pi ni so tenat. Kat nong itap daging dokumen ke bakrau bani I bahkan ke grup ke yang halagi jung kejat kayat igi kam ke telun kani king ke kongsan adu kata compare ngidan sipungut ngidan sangut kajing klan jong kano kenun kam syong agi jing bunpan ke syong agi jing tristong ke jong tri ne yo cham haupin ani ti ya patai pintu baro je jendar ya susu dilimut hapo office ikong iba dan sabda department kumbat kinadan pentah wabun ki pentang nadu ban hanhul ban yarap kumno ban thung jadi jing thung ban penni ban sna gini ke processing unit kumju tidak keren from packaging jadi ke potong san nadu kata packaging ke potong kama tu kata value addition jadi ke potong san mar bangijukan mau ke pla ke binong than nang ni Jadi, ada sudi di hang ni harga open market ke bomba regulate atau kata-kata de la bendi aspa somehow. Ndalap
On September 14th to 15th to 2024, the biennial conference of the Catholic Church took place at Mautanra in Satsning sub-district organized by Sning Parish. The conference gathered hundreds of members to review the past year's achievements and discuss future plans. The event culminated with a Holy Mass on September 15th, celebrated by Reverend Father Edward Sten. The celebration showcased vibrant participation from mothers, youth and children who were dressed in colorful attire reflecting the autumn season's beauty. The service included uplifting songs performed by the Sengrangba leaders and loyal members. The day concluded with adoration led by Reverend Father Sten. Steining Nongbri, President, and Wen Madur, General Secretary of Sengrangba Sning Parish, also attended to offer their congratulations. The conference underscored the sub-district's commitment to enhancing community service and fostering mutual love and respect among its members.
Ujisu bon sin wong bodianga bon sin bangi ni lak aka gospel tambah kemudian kita bodianga ni nambut pa suk kata kobot yang ladani ngam teleu ka jimput ujisu kadai ke jingkula ka bomon ka jimput ujisu kadai ke jingim ke batamai ka jimput ujisu kadai kata kaba ni klan kabarem ingin sedang bermain kumbale Matius kumbale Usahius kumbale ini katarut ti apostol 40 kata dan uta kasiru jisuwa uta uba but yang ubalen lade uta ubaba ikading kana unyo chispasha kajingkerku uta uba IT na kamtaga gospel unyo ya kajingim pom judot te umarku suwong katum kading gospel umarku su yatu hangne ba ujisu lalai sya po Shillong Kaisaria ba Filipi Tenang tahan di ujisu kapan I test yang kisenran jemu. Umba kino hikai ki I test yang kina school monthly test. Lani I exam, half yearly exam, lani final exam. Ki ujisu I test ya kisenran jemu, ya ki apostol jemu. Hey, toi tu yang suami ni poe po kaisaria matiti toi tu yang kibreu wa ya jingkeli kepada kong ma jingkeli kepada kong bau jisu keli keteran.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.